What's up, everyone? Today is a day that I've long been awaiting for. I picked up this kit from Khai. Shout out to Khai for watching this. He sold it for a really good deal, but got both OEM bumpers with rep lips on them and a rep TRD style side skirts. I hate the lip on this Gretty style, so I got a different front lip to run, and hopefully gonna be getting them mounted today and test fitted, make sure everything fits properly, and then gonna drop them off for paint soon and hopefully have everything on before my next drift event. After 2 hours of wrestling with this front lip, me and Patrick finally got it on, and it is sunset. Hopefully we can get a skirt on and call it a day, but fitment looks good. Alright, moment check. See how slammed I am. Front end looks good. Sick.